Apinke, Apinke. The word pin means to distribute, to share, and ke means to pamper, to pet, to treat something with tender care, to cherish. So who is this girl child whose Oriki is Apinke? It is the girl child for whose tender care many relations will take turns of duty. Both friends and family members have seen it as their duty to cherish you. They have seen it as their duty, their obligation to pamper you. Therefore, they have decided to take turns of duty. There is a timetable for the pampering of this child because the people who want to pamper her are just too much. She is that special. She is that unique. Omoti tebi tarang pinke. You have come to this world simply so that you can be passed around for pampering. Everybody wants to have the privilege of showing this girl tender love. Therefore, they do it turn by turn. Nítorí Apinke lóríkì rẹ̀, Wàá Ṣere.